Hi there, Scott Ewert, the DIY web guy here. Today I'm going to show you how to set up what's called a pretty link inside of your WordPress blog. So what that is a way that you can shorten a long link and have what's called a pretty link, something that's just a little bit cleaner. The reason that I use them though is for tracking. So let's say that I want a link that I want to send to somebody and I want to track the number of clicks, let's say, on that particular link. So when you do a solo ad, what that means is that you send a link to a vendor who's going to send an email out to their list on your behalf. And they will guarantee that they're going to do, say, 100 clicks for you, 200 clicks, whatever you buy from them. And this is a way that you can track how many clicks that the solo ad vendor has actually given you to make sure that they've given you all of the traffic that they have promised you and that you've paid for. So I use PrettyLink to do that tracking. So the first thing that you want to do is in your WordPress blog, make sure that you have the PrettyLink installed. So you want to come over to your plugins page if you don't have it done already. And if you haven't done plugins before, then it's pretty simple to do. All you do is click on Add New and it's going to let you search for new plugins, and the one that you want for PrettyLink is called PrettyLink Lite. So just put in those words in the search term, find the plugin, and you'll install it. Okay, and that's what you'll do in your back office. And once you've installed it, then you will have an option over here on the left hand side that says PrettyLink. So you're going to click on that, and you'll see here that I have a whole set of links that I have been using. So what it generally happens is that you give it a name. This tracks your unique clicks. So you can see here that I bought a solo ad, 500 clicks, and that unique hits, he actually gave me 551 when I bought 500. So that's a really good vendor, but also this helps me know exactly how many clicks he sent so I know I can use them again. And then I have a page that I sent him, but what I do is I send him this particular pretty link, and that ties the link to him. Okay, so what we need to do is click on Add a pretty link, but first I'm going to find the page that I want to assign this link to. So over here I'm going to come over to the pages that I have, and this is the one that I want to use for my example here. So you see here, if I click on View, it gives me a link over to my page. So I'm going to click on that and get the URL, and then I'm going to come back over to my blog and come into PrettyLink, and I'm going to click on Add a Pretty Link. So I'm going to get this page, and what you do is you put in the target URL, which is the URL that I just went to, and then this is the pretty link that's going to come back. But let's just say that I'm doing a solo ad on April 1st from a particular vendor that I want to track. So you can come down here, you can group things together if you want to do some tracking there. So you can do that. That's on by default, track hits on the link, which is what you want, and then just click on create. And once that's created, then your pretty link is going to be over here, and that is the link that you can use to track the number of clicks that you get for that link. So you'll see here that I can just put in that pretty link. You'll see it's a little bit different there. Hit return, and it goes to my actual page there. But what will happen is now if I close that and I come back over here to pretty link, I'll see that I have one unique hit. So that's how it starts to track that particular link that I sent out. Okay, so it's a way that you can shorten up links, or that you can set up tracking links that you want to give to other people to track the number of traffic that's going to that link. Okay, so that's it for today. This is Scott Ewert, the DIY web guy, signing off, and we'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.